Wanna know how to download MetaTrader 4 on PC? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your favorite browser and type in MetaTrader 4 download. Now once you're there, just simply select this first link right here. That will take you to the MetaTrader4.com, the official MetaTrader website. Now right here you can see MetaTrader 5 for Windows, but since we need MetaTrader 4, just simply scroll down a little bit until you see this MetaTrader 4 download for Windows. Now just simply click on it if you are on Windows, and if you are on Linux or macOS, just simply select one of these two. Now once you've clicked on any one of them, your download should automatically start right here. And after a while, your MetaTrader 4 setup should begin. And after that is done, just simply follow the instructions, install the setup wizard, and you're ready. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.